Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This Kevin with Pickin in the Hood too. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video of what I bought today at Goodwill. I went to Goodwill today. Today is Saturday, the 19th, October the 19th. This is episode 5. We're in the hood office, everybody. We're in the hood office right now. I'm gonna try to show you guys what I sold. Yesterday. I sold 3 items. I don't sell as much as everybody else, but every little bit count. I don't care. So whatever. I don't care. But every little bit count in my pocket. That's more money in my pocket. I don't give a damn. And today, I got a handyman business today. I was out. I made like $200. I put a I'm sorry. I put a vertical blind up for this one lady, and I put a heat shield up. Let me see what else I did. I forgot what else I did. So I made $125 at this one house. But anyway, look, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you what I bought today at Goodwill. This is going to be the first time. I bought a couple of caps before, but this is the first time I'm going to try to sell hats. There's a whole lot of people out there that sell hats. So I'm going to look up the prices, show you what I do, how I find how much these hats cost, and how much any item costs that I sell. I'm gonna show you how I look it up, and then I'm gonna show you the items that I bought, and then so let me show you right now. Okay, so hold on, I don't know how to do this. Whatever, y'all just deal with it, because I don't know what I'm doing. So I don't know if I'm messing the film up. I mean the phone up or whatever. I'm trying to get these items out the bag because I wasn't prepared. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is these glasses I bought. I've been trying to find them. They're vintage, painted, painted glasses, and I've been trying to find them. See these pineapple glasses? I'm gonna try to sell glasses too now. Glass, any kind of stoneware, potware, whatever. I'm gonna start selling them. I've been watching these videos of people selling this stuff. But this is painted glass. It's probably in the 60s, 1960s or early 70s, stuff like that. But I'm trying to, if I got 3 of these for $1 a piece. See that dollar right there? $1 a piece. Pay $1 a piece for these. Okay. I got, I go to hats. First hat I got is a Dodge racing hat. The vintage Dodge. Dodge Make a Difference high performance hat right here. I looked this one up. It's been selling for $17. I paid $2 for it. Okay, hold on, y'all. And I got a vintage John Force hat. NHRA. National Hot Rod Association. I got this hat for $2. I'm gonna try to sell that. I couldn't find this one on there, but it was one just like this one. It was like $27. John Force is real popular. When I used to watch drag racing, I used to watch just to see him race. He done won like 17 championships. He's #1 racer. But then the CDW Computer Discount Warehouse hat. All these hats are new. The John Force hat still got the tag on it. This hat is one similar on there that was $12.99 that somebody sold, but it didn't have all this detail on it. It just had CDW on there. That's all it had was CDW. So look at this one, brand new. And the next one is a Farm Fest hat. I guess anything farm stuff sell on there. This is a new hat too. Okay. I looked it up. I couldn't find one like this. I found one. This is $19.99. That said Farm Fest $19.99, but this might not be $19.99. Or it might be 2000s or something. The way it's made, I don't know, but we gonna see. Okay. Then I got an Arizona state hat. It's brand new with the tags on it. All these hats were $2. Okay. I found one similar to this that was like $19.99. But still got a tag on it. I scanned it and didn't nothing come up. So I don't know how much this hat is worth. But you see, it's brand new. $2. Butler Supply. I was thinking it was like a farm feed company or something, but it's brand new with the tag. But I couldn't find this on there either. So this hat cost me $2. Farm hats and trucker hats are sell a lot on there. Trucker hats. Then I found this St. Louis. This is St. Louis Union Pacific St. Louis service unit hat. I found several of these on there, but not from St. Louis. But these were selling for like $10. Then finally, I got NASCAR Camping World Championship hat. I couldn't find this one on there either. This one right here, it says 2011 on there. See, we'll say 2011. Okay, I can't find this on there at all. So I don't know how much this is worth, but we're gonna find out. Also, let me get this phone back out of my face. I already got a big head, so whatever. The phone get it, if it look like a balloon head, whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna turn you guys around so you can look at the hood computer and the hood laptop in the hood office. You can look at that, and I can tell you what I sold on eBay. Okay, hold on one second. Let me pull it up for you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever. This video just make you seasick. Whatever. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm finna show you some stuff. Okay, I don't know what this flea is. A flea flying around in here. I don't know what the hell. I've been trying to kill him. Or some kind of flea or whatever. Fruit bug. I can't even talk. A fruit bug. Or something is flying around in here. I'm getting ready to smash this as he fly over here again. That's all to it. He gonna get smashed. Okay, y'all, let me show y'all what I sold. Okay, hold on a minute. I'm gonna turn you guys around. First item I sold was this puzzle right here. I had $11 on it, and the guy offered $7, so I took the $7 shipping. $7 plus $7 shipping. I took that offer because I had this on it for a long time, and it just sold. So somebody gave me an offer, so I took it. Okay, this I didn't have the power plug for it or nothing. See that? That's a fast track guitar microphone recorder interface, USB silver. I sold that for $25 plus free shipping. Put free shipping on that. I paid $2 for that. Okay. The third thing I sold was I got a Nintendo SP for 20 something games. Red, see it? 20 something games. I had $70 on it, and somebody bid at $70, but I had 17 bids. I'm sorry. I had changed it because I had $70 as the high. I mean, when the bidding started, so you can put on there what you want the bid to start off at. So I put $70. So there wasn't nobody bidding on it. So I took the price down to I think $49 or 40 something dollars, and people started bidding on it, and that's the end price. I don't like doing that because people, they think they want to pay so much for it. They don't want to pay no more than say somebody don't. All of them didn't want to pay more than $70 for it. So that's what they did. They just got together and they was bidding, and somebody hit the magic number, and because I think I had a reserve on it, and once the reserve was off, I think the reserve was at 50. or whatever it was. But it ended up being $70. So that's what I took. I didn't have no choice to get one to bed. So I did get more than that. Sometimes you get more, sometimes you get less. I should have saved this for Christmas. That's what I should have saved it for. But I had this on it for about 2 weeks. I'm finna put another set on here. But that's it, y'all. That's all I sold this week. Was those 3 items. Not this week, was yesterday. That's all I sold yesterday. Now, I got an offer on some things. See this right here? This Digimon right here. That guy offered me, I wanted $24 for it. It's a vintage set from like 2000. And it's a Digimon game. I wanted $24 for it. He offered me $15. I took the 15, but he haven't paid for it yet. So I sold that today. Anyway, y'all, that's how I do it on here. And let me show you how I search for prices. Like this, sorry. Let me take my hat off. Like this, let me find some kind of item. Okay, I'll put this in there. Oh, I ain't finished showing you what I got today anyway. So let me turn you back around. Hold on a minute. Okay. I also bought a couple of Coca-Cola refrigerator magnets. It was a whole set. I should have they was in a sealed bag and I opened the bag up. I shouldn't have done it. All 4 of them was in the bag together. These Coca-Cola refrigerator magnets. I paid $3 for all 4 of them and they was in a sealed bag. That's where they came. This one. That is like a Coke machine. This is the second one. It's like a case of sodas. Back in the day, that's where you used to get the cases like that. Then this is a polar bear. And I got one more. I don't know what the hell this is. Let me look at it right quick. It's just a sign that you would hang on the wall, I guess. That's what it looked like to me. But anyway, I might keep these because on the back, it's got a whole lot of them for you to collect. So I might just make a collection out of these because they're not selling that well on eBay unless you put them all together. And I'm not putting them all together. So I might just find the rest of those and buy them and just make a display out of them. Because they're real nice magnets and I like the way I like the way the display look on there. So I might just try to find the rest of them. It's like probably about, that's 12. I got 4. It's probably 8 more that I need to collect. So I'm gonna search on eBay to see. Oh, my fingers on there. Oh, that's the front camera. I'm gonna search on eBay to see how much the other ones cost, and I might just buy all of them. I don't know. I like collecting stuff, and that's a nice looking. That make a nice display. Like in I get a real thick kind of a frame, put them in there, and then just display them because I collect magnets anyway. I got bags of magnets over here. I might put them, they vintage. I might put them on eBay. I've sold a whole lot of magnets on eBay. Sometimes I put them on there, and as soon as I list them, people buy them. Refrigerator magnets, the little bitty magnets like this, $7, $8. I got 60 of them one time for $5. And the first one I sold for $7 plus $2 shipping. People crazy. I don't know. Whatever. They want to buy it, I'm going to sell it. I'm just telling you. So, I'm going to come back with some more stuff. Probably tomorrow, on Sunday, the 19th. Today is the 19th. I don't know what today is. I don't care. Whatever. Today, 19th, 20th, 31st. I don't give a damn. But anyway, I'm sorry, y'all. I do care. But anyway, it's today is the 19th. I think yesterday was the 18th. So tomorrow's the 20th. I might go to another Goodwill tomorrow. I'm going to try to get my wife to go with me. I don't understand. She like buying stuff, but she don't want to go to the Goodwill. I don't understand it. But whatever. I'm going. So And also, I'm gonna start going back to Target, stuff like that, because it's almost Christmas time, and I'm missing out on the I used to get video games just for Christmas. Going to Target, Walmart, stuff like that, when they mark them down, I sell them on eBay. So I've been missing stocking up on video games because I've been shopping exclusively at Goodwills and stuff like that, Salvation Armies, this year. So I'm gonna have to be versatile again and start shopping everywhere. So I want to start being like everybody else. I don't want to be like everybody else, but I want to at least sell. My goal is to sell $200-300 a day. That's my goal. I'm gonna start listing a lot of stuff because, as you can see, I got. Show you what I got listed. I got 191 active items. 191 active items. I'm gonna try to list at least 200 more. I got so much stuff. I can have easy 2,000 items on here, but I don't know. I haven't been able to do it, so I'm gonna get on it and try to sell. I want my whole office to be empty. That's what I really want, so I can just stock up again. Whatever. I want to be empty. So you guys still haven't named my office yet. I guess you'll get around to it. I call it the hood office. That's what I like that. We in the hood office, and we finna do some work. We putting some work in. But anyway, that's funny. But anyway, I don't talk like that for real, But anyway, that's what we getting ready to do. We're gonna put some work in. We're gonna make a little money, and you're gonna see how I do it in the hood. Okay, y'all, just picking in the hood too. Peace. See you when I see ya.